Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the login issues on your BloxFlip account. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, before attempting to log in, make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. Try opening up any other website and see if it is working fine. If it is, then you can now proceed forward with logging in. Just type in bflip.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official BloxFlip website. Now, from the home page, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your in-game username followed by your affiliate code. If you have it, you can then click on the sign in button, and after this, you will be required to enter the further credentials in order to log in. In case you don't have these credentials, you will also find the option to reset them. However, if in case you are using your correct email address and your password, but you are still unable to log into your account, then from the homepage, scroll all the way down and underneath help, click on live support. This will now open up the live support page. From here, you can choose the subcategory of the kind of support that you are seeking and then choose the login category. From here, you can simply conversate with the AI assistant in order to help you with navigating with your issues. Once you are allowed to type in your custom message, you can just type in the issue that you are having, and you may also attach a screenshot if you wish. After sending in your message, it will be sent to the BloxFlip support team, and once they have reviewed your message, you will receive a response letting you know how your case can be resolved. And through this method, you can proceed with solving your login issues on the BloxFlip website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.